This line includes the IAStream library, enabling input and output operations. This line includes the unordered_map library, providing functionality for unordered maps. This line includes the vector library, which is used for dynamic arrays, vectors. This is the beginning of the twoSum function. In the twoSum function, an unordered_map named number map is declared to store elements of the vector and their corresponding indices. A vector named result is declared to store the indices of the two numbers whose sum equals the target. A for loop is initiated to iterate through each element of the input vector nums. Inside the loop, the complement is calculated by subtracting the current element from the target sum. It checks if the complement is present in the unordered map using the find method. If the complement is found, the indices of the two numbers are added to the result vector, and the loop is exited. If the complement is not found, the current element along with its index is added to the unordered map for future reference. The loop continues until a pair of indices is found or until all elements in the vector have been checked. The twoSum function returns the result vector containing the indices of the two numbers whose sum is equal to the target. In the main function, a vector named nums and an integer named target are declared and initialized. The twoSum function is called with these parameters, and the result is stored in a vector named result. The indices of the two numbers are printed to the console using code. The main function returns 0, indicating successful program execution. To iterate